Okay, I've centered the clay just like I did with the casserole, but this is where this baker differs from the casserole. When we open, our first opening is going to be all the way to the bottom, clear to the bottom of the bat. You want to open it to maybe about, somewhere about 3.5 inches. Clean off the bat. And now we're going to do kind of a second opening. It's one of the few pots that has that type of thing. You're going to take your left hand, push down, get a little bit of moisture from that sponge, and then use both hands to pull out. I'm just making sure that I don't mess up the wall of this as I'm pushing down. Pull out some more. Now, again, as always, check the depth. It looks great. Make sure you're good, and then we can go into the next step.